So before I start this video, I just want to say that my voice is a little bit messed up because I've been sick the last couple of days. But, you know, I wasn't going to let that stop me from making the video. So if it bothers you guys, I apologize for that. But, there you go. So this is the review for the Zoomfly SP on the Sepistone colorway. So right off the bat, my favorite detail is the upper. Really innovative, really breathable, but most importantly, it's translucent or transparent, whatever you want to call it. And you do got to watch what socks you're wearing, or if you're wearing these barefoot, your nasty feet are going to show. So just be careful with that. The foam, really comfortable foam. Really comfortable when walking around the city, Chicago, in my personal experience. The only thing is this curvature over here in the front that when you're walking, it does feel like you're kind of, I don't know, trying to balance in a way, and it doesn't make it really comfortable to stand when you're standing a lot for a long time. So the lacing system though, nothing different, but I do love the details on the tips of the laces. And these are size 11, which is the size I get the most. So if you guys are thinking about getting these, I would recommend sticking to whatever size you get the most. These are also summer shoes, or in my opinion, they're summer shoes. But although they're running shoes, you can also wear them in a lot of situations. As Casey Neistat, the man himself, has stated before, these could also be everyday, regular lifestyle shoes. And the time was 1:04. Again, I think we're averaging about 1:03. It was actually 1:03 when I saw the phone, but then I showed it to you guys. So I think we went a little bit faster on this one. I did practice it a little bit more before doing some takes this time around. So I think it went better. But now, since I didn't give you guys an on-feet look when I unboxed these, let's go ahead and see how these look on feet.
Jammy, Beatz,
And yeah, I think that's it. We should be back with an unboxing after this video, either one video or two after this. I'm still kind of seeing my credit card. It all depends on the credit card. And yeah, once again, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Peps Money Bags.